Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I created this look. Let me zoom y'all in. So it's just a green lid, smoked out green lid, and some copper, I guess like whatever this is. I don't know what it is. Leafy stuff. So I thought I would take y'all with me on this side and show y'all how I came up with this. So just keep watching. Bye guys. To start out, we're going to take a little bit of burnt orange and then deepen it up a little bit with Real Gar. I am using the Morphe M441 brush. So now I'm going to dip into the Morphe 35B palette and use this shade on just a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to put that just all over the lid very, very lightly to just blend some color into this area a little bit. And then with this flat brush, I'm going to just dip into this dark green and pack that all over the lid. And then back with this brush that had that first green color, just whatever's left on it, I'm going to start and just very softly blend this packed on lid color into the rest of it. Okay, so now that that lid is done, I'm going to take some of this and this little set of tweezers, and I'm just going to start taking a chunk out like this and just break some off like that, and then break it into smaller pieces. I'm going to take some lash glue, dab it right here and out here, and then just start gluing on. Now that that's on, I'm going to go back in with this brush. It's the Morphe M200, and I'm going to dip right back into the original colors, this one and that one, and I'm just going to put it under, you know, my lash line. And for lashes, we're going in with Certify. If I can get it open, we're going to take this pair.
you
So now that those lashes are on, I'm going to take just a black liner. And then I'm just going to take a different mascara. And I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. So that is the final makeup look. Actually, let me just touch this one little spot up right here. Okay. So I just realized that I never filmed an outro, and I already took my eyelashes off. I was about to go take my makeup off, but I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.